Hello guys, so this is just a quick tips and tricks, so it's not going to waste too much of your time. This is just to remove space, just really quick. So if you open your Windows tab and you write run, so here's the run application. So then you're going to have to write these three stuff. So there's percentage, local app data percentage, so you press that and then you're going to press OK. So then you can see all of these, so you're just going to press Alt A, that's going to select everything, then you press delete. And this is gonna clear loads of stuff from your laptop, any excess files and stuff, like actually any extra chats basically. So let this do its job. So yes, as you can see, it's removing any extra. Just do this for keep on skipping. You can just press that and that. Sorry if you hear any background noises, that's my family. So I did local app data, so then you can press run again. Okay, so there's local app data, then we'll do prefetch, so you press OK, then you press Alt A, delete. Do this for all, skip, that's done. And the last one, run, that we can do recent, and then you can press Alt A, delete, and enter. So that's done there. So then you're gonna go into your recycling bin and you're gonna press Alt A, delete, enter. So that should remove everything. Done. So then you're gonna press the Windows button again. Then you're gonna press clean. You're gonna just write clean, enter. So then this is gonna load, and after you're just gonna click all these, the ones that are unchecked. You're gonna check all of them. Is that all of them? Yes, it is. So simple as that. Okay. Delete files, let it delete. Just a couple more, just wait a couple of seconds and it should be done. That's it guys, that's not to waste too much of your time. If you guys want more tips and tricks videos, comment down below, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Love you. Oh, not love you, my bad. Enjoy, and yeah.